Merry Christmas! There are many options to choose for a Christmas menu in Spain. However, there is no set meal with a common dish. Each family will choose a starter, main dish, dessert, and then they will share typical Christmas sweets and toast with some bubbly wine or cava champagne. This is our favorite soup for Christmas. We prepare it every year and it's always a success. The preparation has many steps, but they are quite simple and easy to follow. Let's start by cutting all the vegetables thinly. Since we are steam cooking the eggs along with other ingredients, we will wrap them with cling film. We are using haddock, but any white fish such as cod or hake will work on this soup. Cut the fish in small cubes. Remove the head and the shell of the prawns and set them aside. We are going to steam the seafood and the eggs for 15 minutes, but you could choose to cook them in a different way. The water will have the flavors on the seafood, so set it aside as we will use it for our broth. Now stir fry the prawns heads and shells, then cover them with water and boil them for 10 minutes. At the end, crush the heads to get the juices out. Sieve the stock and mix it with the seafood broth that we had set aside. Saute the vegetables. When they are soft, add the tomato puree and keep cooking, stirring from time to time. Now add the seafood stock and blend the mix as fine as possible. When it is boiling, add the rice, and while it's cooking you can remove the mussels and clams from the shell. Add the fish, mussels and clams to the soup. Chop the hard-boiled eggs in small pieces and add them to the soup. Try it out and add salt if needed. Then turn off the heat and add the prawns and leave to rest for 5 minutes. They will get cooked with the remaining heat. We hope you like it as much as we do. Leave us your comments below. Enjoy!